A great inventory management desktop app I've been using for the last couple of years is called Home Inventory for Mac. It's available for a one-time fee of $14.99 Canadian. A lot of people use it to track the value of their home belongings for insurance purposes, but it works just as well for tracking bike parts. You can organize your bike components into different categories to make it easier to find items. You can see here that I've created a couple dozen commonly used component categories. Or you can simply search for an item by typing a keyword into the Lookup tab. In addition to the provided stock data fields, you can add your own custom data fields as well. I've created a custom data field called bin to show me which storage box an item is located in, as well as a description field where I can enter specific details about the item. You can add photos and copies of receipts, as well as any other files you want associated with a particular item. And there are several handy canned reports you can choose from, such as this compact item report, which provides an itemized list of all your bike parts. At the end of the report, you'll have a tally of the value of all items in your inventory broken down by category. This can unveil some rather disturbing findings, like not just that I have $14,167 in spare parts, but also that I have 101 cartridge bearings valued at over $3,000. Just a few short of filling a medium-sized warehouse building. I looked at many different home inventory apps before landing on this one, and Home Inventory for Mac is the only one I found that met my two must-have criteria. First, it had to be inexpensive, which it is at just $14.99. And second, I had to be able to add items to an inventory by just using a smartphone to scan barcodes, and it does this near perfectly. It almost always will recognize the barcode, usually automatically populating the entry with the make, model, and name of the item, the manufacturer's suggested retail price, and also a stock photo. But you can also add your own photo or edit any of the entries as you like. This ability to scan the items will save you a ton of time when setting up your inventory for the first time. The only major drawback to this app is that for those of you not working within the Apple ecosystem, unfortunately there's no Windows version, so it'll only work for you Mac users out there.